Have the full set.
It's the full set. That's
No,
a full
it's
set.
not.
Oh,
The full like round or whatever then.
well,
Whatever. He doesn't care.
you said he cares.
Whatever. Kriya's a. Oh my god. Don't. He's beating him. He's getting tilted.
Don't kill. Just return.
That's the thing. He's trying to kill all the time. The
'Cause
guy
you
is
told
not.
him to.
Yeah.
You cannot do it. They're playing.
Papa was like, no matter what, kill. No matter
Yeah.
what. And now.
But if your killing shot is not going in, you return.
I know, but now Kriya's probably there, like, Papa told me to kill, oh my god, now I have to kill, oh my god, but it's not working, oh my god, my father probably hates me and he's not proud of me. Like, genuinely, that's probably what he's thinking, and this is,
So I just sent him like,
Yeah, someone will play here already. There's complication.
it's so funny, we're
Sometimes
so
it's-
visible to them.
Maybe not. You'll never know. Maybe it's, well, Mickey can see us.
Mom, they literally can see us as well as we can see them.
We're not hiding. Ayan na. Napagod siya. Good
no,
job.
he's running the other way.
Saw his,
That's the right play.
see, did you see Kriya's tempo? He slowed it
Yeah.
down there.
Which he doesn't. The guy is very friendly. He plays friendly. He doesn't really try to kill
Yeah,
Mickey.
he is.
No?
Yes, he is.
Look
It's
at
right.
Mickey. Oh, every time he does that. If every time he tries to kill, that's the time that his thing doesn't go in. Easy lang, easy. Can we send a message? Easy lang, please. Aray, my hair is all tangled. This guy wants him to win because he knows we're watching.
That's not true, Mom.
No? I think it's... Oh. Imagine yun, dalawang hand na nga eh.
That's just how he plays. Wake up!
Oh my gosh. Nantok ka?
There's coffee. If you want the
No,
coffee.
he doesn't like old coffee. Has to be fresh with
If you
it.
pour it down the sink and ask them, they'll make a new pot.
Extra a minute, wait.
To text. Nag-game siya ng 2:30. Late na siya. 2:31 na nga naman. Like us on Face and get a free hour of quiet time. Cool? Akala ko naman you went and got your water. It was just... Just play the game, don't overkill it.
She had to leave early. Guess what? Her aunt's birthday is today.
Yeah.
Guess when her birthday is?
Okay.
Tomorrow.
Got this, Mick.
Yep.
You got this.
Oh, gosh.
That was a good play.
She said she doesn't want
Squirt.
No. Hey, Peter, stop real quick. Stop right here. Stop and put your stuff on the table and put your stuff on. It is pouring from what I can hear outside. When I was sitting listening.
What? Imagine if this was 2 games. It's only 1 game. See? He's really good, he said. You can only last one game. So, ay! Inyo na.
Wake up. Stupid.
Overkill na naman. Alam mo, even if he's older, he's wiser. Because for sure, he's been doing this for a while. Oh,
No, I was thinking that
overkill na
too.
naman siya out.
Oh,
Tamaan pa sa legs. You
she's
okay? Sabi niya, you okay? Yeah. O siya pala. Hindi na lang niya ginamit yung kinuha niya sa bulsa niya. I don't get it. Ay!
Clea did not have the hustle in her.
Fighting! Ala, lumabas. Bola niya yun eh. Ayan. Out.
Isn't that in?
Out.
Oh, where'd you go? Bathroom?
The other ball. The other ball went out. That's their ball. That's Mickey's ball. Mm. Suling na naman. Dami tao.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, good drop shot.
Oh man, Clea needs to win the next one.
Naku, 3-1 na.
3-2.
3-2. Wala. Wala pa siyang tuwalya niya. Ito yung mga sombrero niya lahat yung mabaho. Yeah, because every time he plays the you know, it's best to watch them standing. Fighting, fighting. Ay.
Right there.
Can I have your jacket?
Oh. Ano nangyari? She's cold?
Thanks. Yeah.
ginagawa nila, nakakasira itong mga pool na to. Siya, na-net siya eh. Oh. Out. Ay. Oho. Dirty love. No. Ow! Looking at the time. He's looking at you, Mickey. Mika, you're sleeping. And then she looked at the watch. Ah! Yung gano'n niya, lagi yung gano'n niya, hindi pumapasok. Ilang beses yun, hindi din ko eh. You know, it's too easy. Out. Pero lagi niya nakukuha yung malakas na galing. Wala na, pagod na yung isa. Pero nananalo pa rin sa katangahan ng anak ko.
Wala, easy lang.
Oo.
Placing lang.
Eh wala, sabi mo hit to kill eh. Ano yan, pag sinabi mo, nanginginig. Good job. Ah! Ay, ay, ay. Out. Lakas talaga ni tuwalya. Ang dami kong tuwalya sa bahay. Ganda. Tagal, oh. Okay, Mickey, good job. Tagal na nito. Ah. Pinahirapan. Nahihiya siya eh.
Yes, sa ginawa niya.
Oh, dahil alam niyang hindi makukuha ng lalaki. You want it like that, ha? Sabi. Eh, paano? Lamang na siya eh. Uy, ang galing Nanet ba siya? Hindi naman. Natulog si Kulasa. Nice. Out, yeah. Kaya pala tinitignan niya yung tennis ball sa Costco. Siguro gusto niya sabihin ko, sige, bilhin mo na. Hindi ko naman alam na kailangan niya.
Para sa taste.
Oo, kasi ngayon isang ganyan is $12 sa Target. Hindi, ang laki. 49 lang. Ilan? 100 balls? Ano ba yun? I guess isa yan sa magandang irigalo tuwing Pasko or ano. Talaga mahilig siya mag-tennis eh.
Ay,
Yay! Ganda na eh. Someone folded my stuff in the laundry, you? Maybe he was going to clean or wash the clothes, but out. Ano yan? Para. So you know if what game? No. Ay, nako. Talo na naman. Ay, hindi, panalo ata siya. Nagluto ako ng steak bread. Ganyan kakapal. Malaki pa. Malaki. Halos na ubos na tira lang ganyan. Growing baby ko talaga eh. Ah! Alam niya na paano sagutin yung serve ni Mickey. Nakalaro na kaya niya to. Hindi niya alam itong mga ano niya. Yes. Out, nasalo niya yung bola. Kaya alam mo, magaling din to eh. Okay. Nainis na yung anak mo. Dapat manalo ka dyan, anak. Para tapos na. Okay. Alright. Nanggigigil na naman siya. Okay. Yes. That's what I'm talking about.
Ay, mix ka naman.
1 each na naman. Oh, naku, patay. Last. Bilang ko nga ito ng ano. Oh, nag-net ba? Yes, yes. Let him win this time. $15, love. Pa-scoring ko na pa. Alam ko na eh. Hop. Hindi niya alam mga corporate. Ito mga naku out. Ay kung out di 15 all. Kasi siya ang nag-serve eh. So kung nag-out si Mickey, 15 all na. Sad na I did it again. Oops. 30, 15. Siya mananalo to set na to, patay tayo. Pag nanalo to isa, magte-third sila. 30, 15, na-out siya eh. 30, 15 pa rin. Out. 30, 15, 30 all. Net. Sa kanila pala yung buka. Parang galit na. Pagod na si Manong, dapat ikaw manalo. Yes. Okay, Mickey won. Hindi mag-gloves.
Dapat nilobo niya.
Oo nga, para tumakbo siya eh. Oo. Siya na nag-point eh, kaya lang 5-all na sila ngayon. Oh. Oh, lobo yun ngayon, baby. Ah! Tangina niya. Dirty love. I say love, love. That's it. Oh, yes. Ninervous na siya. 30-15. Out. Inang. Wala na. Yarihan na to. Padama lang pala yung ginawa niya. Ayaw niya pang magpatalo. Gusto pa niya na isa pang set. Sagot din niya eh. Sharp na nung dating ni Mickey. Ah, yes! $30-40. Tama ba yung bilang ko? Isa pa na pagpanalo na siya. Wala na. Oh. Ay! 40 oh. Tipan na nito. Easy lang, easy. Yes, Mickey. Oh, tama na. Out ba siya? Hindi mo tinitignan eh. I-rewind ko pa. Na-out ba siya? Tignan natin. Saan na-out siya? Di 40 love? 40. Ito na. Ito nang last. Kung di out. Ay, kung out kanina, dapat pareho na sila. Ito nang breaking point. Kasi 5 na siya eh. Pag nanalo siya. Dito sa last na to, siya na. Kung hindi ako nagkakamali. Wala na. Pahinga ka na daw. Sige na nga. Sabi niya magpapahinga na nga ako. Net na naman siya eh. Triple net na yan. Out. Shit. May pag-asang manalo si Tatang Galor. Out. Ano bang score? Hindi ako marunong mag-score ah. Huwag mo na siya panalunin. Pagsakikak na to si Mika eh. Ay. Galing din ni Mickey, no? Golf din. Pero tingin ko pinakamatagal niya itong tennis. Out.
Patay.
Wala. Out. Galit si Tatang Galor. Ay, nawakan niya yung bola. Wala. Isang set pa. Sino magbabayad nito? Isang set pa. Ha?
Ibayad sa registration.
Ihiraw muna siya. Nag-break muna. Hindi niya nakuha yun. Ano mo ginagawa? Nagawa lang niya ito. Mag-isa niya. I know. Ay, I forgot.